Welcome friends, this is the continuation of our series Ajax. Hope you are enjoying this series. In this tutorial, we will learn how to validate text fields using Ajax and PHP. So let us start the tutorial. First, our aim here is we will provide three fields. You can see that the first field is a text field whose ID is users. Second is the password field whose ID is password. And the last but not the least is the email field whose ID is email. And at last there is a button. When you click on the button, put data function, which is an AJAX function, is called. So let us have a look at the put data function. Inside the body of put data function, we first create an instance of XHR object. While in the case of Internet Explorer, we create an object of ActiveX object. Then, whenever the ready state of the XMLHttp object changes, we call a function which, when the ready state equals to 4, puts the response text into the inner HTML of the response field. Here the response field is actually a division which is located just above the username field. So whenever the ready state is 4, that is the response is complete and status code is 200, the inner HTML of that response field is changed. Then we create three variables whose values are respectively in the order of their form fields, and then concatenate them inside a single variable. Then we open the URL ajax_login.php and append these parameters using the get method and set its asynchronous flag to true. Now let us have a look at ajax_login.php script. So this is how our ajax_login.php script looks like. First, it passes out three get parameters, namely users, password and email, which were appended in the frontend.php file. Then it checks if the users field is empty, it shows an error message, and it does for the next remaining two fields. If all three fields are provided and the length of the password is equal or more than 6, then it shows a success message called OK. So when you preview it in the browser, it looks like this. When we first click on check, it shows an error message that please choose a username. Let us provide the username and put the remaining two fields blank. When you click here, it shows a different message called please choose a password. Let us provide the password having length more than 6. When you click again on check button, the error message regarding the email field is shown, and when all of the fields are provided, success message is shown here. So in this tutorial we have learned how we can validate text fields using Ajax and PHP. However, you should take caution when you are using Ajax and get method, as it can be used to sniff the password if they are sent in plain text. So this was the end of our tutorial. Thank you.